In this video, I will guide you how to insert Peso sign in Excel. For this, you need to click on the insert, go to the symbol, click on the symbols. And in the font section, you need to select normal text. And in the subset, you need to select currency symbol and type character code 20B1. Your your cursor will be routed to the Peso symbol. Just select it and click insert and close it. In another method, right click in the cells, go to the format cells and go to the customs and remove the general and type this code over there and click OK. And now type for anything, it is Peso automatically inserted with the value. So in another way, for example, 100 and right click, go to the format cells and go to the currency, click the symbols drop down menu and find the scroll down. This is the Filipino. This is the Filipino sign Peso. Click on that and here it is Peso symbol is inserted. So with these three methods, you can easily insert Peso sign in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.